Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Thorat and today I represent the what is clinical research. Clinical research is a scientific study that involves human participant to understand disease better and to develop new treatment, drug vaccine, medical device and diagnostic test. Clinical research ensure that only safe, effective, high quality medicine reach patients. Why clinical research is important? Protect patient safety by testing drug step by step, improve medical treatment and healthcare outcomes, help in discovering new cure for disease like cancer, diabetes, infections, etc. Provide scientific evidence for approval of medicine, support public health and policy making, generate employment for B Farm, M Farm, life science graduate. Clinical research versus clinical trial. Clinical research, bolder term, include trials, observational studies, registries, and epidemiology, etc. Clinical trial, specific experiments where a drug device is tested on humans in different phases. So, clinical trials are part of clinical research. Key components of clinical research. First is investigational product, the drug, vaccine, or device being tested. Second is human participant, healthy volunteers or patients depending on the study pages. C. Protocols. A detailed study, a detailed study plan explaining objective, methodology, dose, duration, eligibility criteria, safety monitoring, statistically analysis plan. Ethics committee, institutional review board, a term that ensure participant rights, safety, informed consent, no unethical activity. Sponsor, usually a pharmaceutical company funding the study. Research site, hospitals or clinic where trials are conducted. Phases of clinical trials. Phase 0, exploratory, a very small number of volunteers understanding how the drug behaves in the body. No therapeutic effect expected. Phase 1, safety studies, 20 to 18 healthy volunteers. Purpose, safety, tolerability, pharmacokinetics, ADME, identified safe dose. Phase 2, safety plus efficacy, 100 to 300 patients. Purpose, dose the drug works. Purpose, uh, do, purpose does the drug work? What are the side effects? Phase 3, large scale testing, 1000 to 3000 patients. Compare new drug versus standard drug, placebo. Provide strong evidence for regulatory approval. Phase 4, post marketing surveillance. After the drug is approved, long-term side effect, real-world effectiveness, real adverse event. Types of clinical research: investigational studies, interventional studies. Researchers give a treatment and observe outcomes. Observational studies: no treatment is given. Researchers just observe natural disease condition. Epidemiological epidemiological studies: studies of disease pattern in population. Behavioral research: study of health behavior like smoking, diet, exercise. Genetic research: relationship between genes and disease. Diagnostic of screening research: developing tools to detect disease early. Importance of document in clinical research: protocol, informed consent form, case report form, investigator brochure, study logs, sources document, monitoring plan, safety reports. Good clinical practices: a set of international ethical and scientific standards to protect subject and ensure data quality. GCP rules include volunteer participation, informed consent, confidentiality, accurate documentation, safety monitoring, regulatory compliance. Who work in clinical research? Clinical research associate, monitor site, ensure protocol compliance, check data accuracy. Clinical research coordinator, site level study management, handle participant, CRF consent, Safety reporting. Clinical data manager manages clinical data, creates CRFs, performs data validation. Pharmacovigilance officer monitors adverse drug reaction, ensure drug safety. Medical writers writes protocols, report submission documents. Statistician analyze trial data. Regulatory affairs handle approval from authorities like FDA, EMA. Regulatory authorities: India, CDSCO, USA, FDA, Europe, EMA, UK, MHRA, Japan, PMDA. These bodies approval trial protocol and new drugs. Thank you.